It's 6:30 in the morning. Been up since 5. About to go have some breakfast before it gets too busy down there and I can't get a spot. Let's go. Okay, so that is my lunch before I go into work. I don't go until 12 and it's like 7 a.m. right now. Probably just gonna go work out. I'm gonna do the same loop I did last time. I don't even know if it's raining or not today. I didn't even look out the side. I didn't even look out the side. There's no, it looks like the same every single day, just cloudy. Oh my god, Bunny. There's Bunny. Do you guys see Bunny? Yes, Bunny. Yeah, it just looks rainy and gross yet again. So that's fun. These things have just not uploaded yet. This one has. It says upload, file upload complete. This one is like still like halfway and I'm like bro, I literally started this like at 8 yesterday and it's still going. So it seems like I'm in some type of parking lot. It looks like a mall, I think, but like also I don't know. It's got like this weird park section. I don't know. This is weird. I don't even know where I am right now. Somewhere outside of Pittsburg and Cranberry, Pennsylvania. There's water fountains. I wonder if they're running. Would love some water right now. Guys, I've been seeing so many bunnies lately. Like they're everywhere. All the bunnies. Damn, these don't even work. Well, just keep going, I guess. I'm not trying to chase you, Bunny. I really am not. When I have a lot of anxiety that I just can't get rid of, running tends to help because it feels like I can control what my chest feels like and like my breathing. So running is always nice when I have a lot of anxiety. Just kidding, it's a college. I think it's like Emerson College or something. I don't know, but that's where I am. I haven't been doing much since I've gone on a run, but I'm still waiting for this to upload. Still got a little bit more to go. I'm gonna also go get gas before I go to my job, just so that I don't have to get it when I'm leaving at night. I could just go, get in the car and leave. That truck says just married and they got the cans attached to it. That's cool. Last one of the day, and then we get to have a peaceful drive home. I hope it's peaceful. It's heavy. Okay, let's hit the road jack. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Let's go do it. Okay, so I just got Subway. I don't know how I'm gonna eat that in the car, but I'm done, and I'm trying to get this Apple CarPlay to work because I need it to work. I'm going home, and I'm gonna get there at about 9:30. So let's hit the road, Jack. There's also a flash flood warning too, so that's gonna be fun.